Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to lay these baby hairs. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. I've already gone ahead and pre-sectioned out where I want my baby hairs to be. All I really did was make half C partings in the areas in which I wanted to lay my baby hairs, and I kind of made the C where I wanted the baby hair, left some hair, like I did like spacing. But if you guys would like to see an in-depth video on how exactly I make my baby hair partings, then let me know in the comment section down below and I will gladly make that video for you guys. So the tools that you are going to need in order to achieve this look are going to be your tweezers. These are the slant tweezers, and what I'm doing here is I'm just plucking out some of the hair that is in the baby hairs because I don't want my baby hairs to be extra thick and bulky. So I'm just going in and kind of plucking that area of my baby hairs so that they can be kind of thin and very similar to regular hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and with my Got To Be Volumatic hairspray. This spray allows my baby hairs to lay flat before I hot comb them. That way they'll lay flat and I'll be able to move them in the direction that I need them to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb and I'm going to lay down these baby hairs. Now, you don't have to do this step, but this is just what I do. I recommend that you guys do hot comb you guys' baby hairs before you actually go in and form them, because this will make the process so much easier and just straighter, and it just looks so much neater. Also, you guys, if you are interested in wigs and would like to get a custom wig made by me, everything will be linked down in the description box below. I do have a wig business where I make custom wigs and beauty products. I customize every wig before I send it out. I style it, bleach the knots and everything. So all you have to do when you receive your wig is put it on. But everything will be linked down in the description box below if you are interested. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs shorter. Now you don't want to cut straight across. You want to kind of cut in a curve jag kind of motion, because what you don't want is you don't want the baby hairs to be like cut straight across and just giving like a fine look. You kind of want it to give off a natural look, as if like how natural baby hairs are already. If you guys are not comfortable with using regular scissors, you guys can also use an eyebrow razor. It works just as fine and it actually will give you that jag cut look even better. Now here's for the fun part. I use the Got To Be glue to lay my baby hairs down, and I also use a eyelash brush. Now I know you guys are used to seeing people use the baby hair brush. That method works as well, but I prefer to use the eyelash brush only because it gives that very sleek, beautiful look, and you guys will see. Watch. So what I do is I apply the Got To Be directly to the brush. I don't put it directly on the baby hairs because you really don't need that much. I don't want to use that much because you don't want your baby hairs to be crunchy and, you know, a mess. So I take a little bit, I put it on the brush, and we're about to go in. So as you're applying the product to your baby hairs, you want to, as you're smoothing it out, You want to take your finger once you're forming the baby hair and smooth it out as you go. And also too, at the same time, I know this sounds pretty difficult, but you want to twist your eyelash brush as you're going down so that it gives off that combed sleek look. So just pay close attention to this part, you guys. And don't worry if you don't get it your first try. It does not matter. It's all trial and error. You may need to use a little bit more product. It's totally up to you. But like I said, just keep on practicing and you will get better at it. So this is what it looks like when I have formed the first baby hair. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video and continue to do the last two. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys learned something new and enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss when I upload. But till next time, you guys.